Hello. Dragon wings. I think the fastest way is to use Procreate or other painting app and paint the wings in 2D. And I created layers, this layer and this one. Okay. And then export save picture and layer 2. Then you need an online application. Image to STL. It's free and it's absolute fantastic. Use your picture. Use the extrude version of the tool and change it to 1 millimeter and convert to STL. And then download it and convert the other layer. For the picture, use grayscale. You can play around with extrude functions, but Nomad in Nomad you can adjust it. Okay, we need this layer and this one, and I bring it first to the center, move origin, and the next one move origin. Now we can use the gizmo. Make it flatter. And the other object can make it thinner. And then use the voxel remesher. Voxel you can decimate it later. Use a higher resolution, keep sharp edges and remesh it. And check it if you need more resolution, remesh. Now I think it's okay. And the other mesh, the bones. I think it's okay. Now you get this, and I paint it. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, like this. Sculpting is the next part. You can use inflate or to make the bones a little bit bigger, and you can use you can round it. I need a little bit more intensity. Oh, it's too much. like this. Yes, this is sculpting. And if you want to give it a form, sorry, you can simple merge the objects, and I add a box, topology 1, and bring it here in position. Like this. And validate the box. And now simple merge the objects again. And now you can use the move brush. Adjust the radius like you want. And now you can give it a, yes, like wings. It's moving and dragging, and check connected topology, this button, for the move or other tools if you want to adjust the whole mesh. And then you can separate the objects again. The box we don't need anymore. I turn off the wire, and now you can select the objects, simple merge, and now you can use decimation. Resolution like you want. Simple merge and decimate it. Okay. Paint all, wire off. Smooth shading. Now you got wings and sculpt. That's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.